In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create icon atom and icons in a design system in Figma. We'll go from a blank canvas to a clean, reusable icon system that behaves predictably in real products, all while keeping things simple and consistent. Start by opening your design. Create a standard, square frame that all your icons will live in. Keeping every icon inside the same sized frame gives you predictable alignment and spacing anywhere you use them. From buttons to menus, think of this as the foundation of your icon atom in the design system. One consistent container that everything follows. Design your icons consistently. Use vector shapes for everything and stick to a uniform stroke width, like 2px. Consistency here is what keeps a mixed icon set looking like a unified family. As you draw, keep edges clean and align to whole pixels to avoid blurry results. If you've already created multiple icons, great. Bring them into your icon frame, 1 per degree Fahrenheit frame. When you are ready, select all the icons. If needed, press Enter to jump into vector editing, then right-click and choose Outline Stroke. Outlining strokes converts them to fills so they scale and render consistently, which is especially important when icons are resized in different contexts. With your shapes outlined, set constraints for the elements inside the frame. Choose Scale to maintain proportions when the frame changes size or Center to keep the icon centered without stretching. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the icons across your components. Next, convert your icons to components. Select them and use Create Multiple Components so each icon becomes its own main component. This is the step that turns drawings into reusable building blocks that can be updated in one place. Organize these components with clear naming conventions using forward slashes, like icon Fay Circle or icon Fay Play. This automatically groups them in the Assets panel and makes them easier to search and swap later. Create variants by combining related icons into a component set. Variants let you manage different styles or states in a single, tidy set, so designers can switch styles without breaking structure. When you use the icons in your designs, drag instances from the Assets panel instead of copying the master. Instances stay linked to the original, so updates flow through. Use the Instance Swap property to quickly replace one icon with another inside components like buttons. Finally, publish your file as a library, so your icon components are available across projects and teams. Thanks for watching.